Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switching 2020, where we teach indigenous languages. Today we continue with our Sepedi lessons, looking at lesson number 1, go hlalosa dilo, meaning describing objects. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to describe common objects using simple adjectives. Starting with vocabulary: puku, 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 puku. It's a book. Pensele, 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 pensele. It's a pencil. Tafula, 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 tafula. It's a table. Situlo, 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 situlo. It's a chair. Kubedu, 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 kubedu. It's color red. Khulu, 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 khulu means big. Nyani, 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 nyani means small. Telele, 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 telele means long. Vuima, 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 vuima means heavy. Let's look at 5 sentences now. Puku ye kie kubedu. 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 This book is red. Pensele ye itelele. 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 This pencil is long. Tafula ye ikgolo. 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 This table is big. Situlo se nyane. 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 This chair is small. Morwalo uwima. Morwalo uwima. Morwalo uwima. Morwalo uwima. Morwalo uwima. This bag is heavy. Grammar focus. In Sepedi, adjectives agree with the noun they describe. Example: puku ye, situlo se, morwalo. Learner activity. Describe 5 objects in your house using Sepedi. Describe 5 objects in your house using Sepedi. Write them down in the comment section. Example: komiki ye kie chweu. Komiki ye kie chweu. Komiki ye ki ye tshweu. Komi ke ye tshweu. This cup is white. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020. Thank you.